Do you share a computer and don't want your search and browse history saved? Or maybe you want to log into a second email account without signing out of your first one. Or you want to search something on YouTube with a clean profile. The list goes on. You may need privacy sometimes. No problem with that. In this video, I'll show you how to use InPrivate browsing in Microsoft Edge, basically incognito mode for Windows users on your computer. Open Edge and look for the three dots in the top right corner. This is the Settings and More menu. Click the dots and you'll see the option New InPrivate window. Click that and a new dark themed window will open. You'll see the InPrivate logo in the top corner. Nothing you search for here will be saved to your history. Now for the faster way. You don't even need to click the menu. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on your keyboard. That stands for New. Boom. It instantly opens an InPrivate window. Memorize that shortcut. It's a huge time saver. One quick warning, InPrivate stops your computer from saving your history, but it doesn't hide your activity from your internet provider or your employer if you're on a work network. Keep that in mind. To exit, just close the window or tab, and all your temporary data vanishes except for files you manually downloaded to your disk while browsing InPrivate. If this tip helped you browse better, hit like and subscribe to easy tutorials and how-tos. Thanks for watching.